Welcome to Chiang Mai. Today, we're taking a walking tour through 5 incredible temples. First stop, Wat Sri Suphan, also known as the Silver Temple. Built in the early 16th century, it's completely covered in hand-beaten silver panels crafted by local artisans. Every detail tells a story, from Buddhist teachings to scenes of everyday Thai life. Just note, only men are allowed inside the ordination hall, but the exterior alone is a masterpiece. Next is Wat Phra Singh, one of Chiang Mai's most revered temples. Dating back to 1345, it houses the famous Phra Singh Buddha, a statue so significant it draws pilgrims from across Thailand during Songkran, the Thai New Year. The impressive Lanna-style architecture here perfectly captures the artistry of Northern Thai culture. Right next door is Wat Phan Tao, built entirely from teak wood. This temple was once a royal residence before being transformed into a monastery. The warm wooden tones create such a peaceful vibe, and at night, when the lanterns are lit, it feels truly magical. A few steps further, you'll find the towering ruins of Wat Chedi Luang. Built in the 14th century, this massive Chedi once held the Emerald Buddha, now Thailand's holiest relic. Despite earthquake damage in the 1500s, it remains one of Chiang Mai's most striking historical landmarks. Lastly, we'll end at Wat Chet Lin, a lesser-known gem hidden behind the city walls. This tranquil temple features serene ponds, wooden bridges, and views of monks tending to gardens. It's the perfect spot to unwind and reflect after a day of temple exploration. Chiang Mai's temples are more than just beautiful architecture. They're windows into centuries of history, faith, and community. If you enjoyed this walking tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel adventures around Southeast Asia.